this line and this line, and now we're going to draw this line. Okay, so now let's repeat the process. So first of all, this sky blue color is here. Okay, and now it's cross matching from here. And now then blue color, this one, here and here. Okay, and now for it's an orange color for this one, and here. Okay, and now the light green color also here, and then pink color, so be careful when you are drawing. Don't try to draw inside the draw line and don't go outside. Don't go outside of the draw line. Okay, because it's sensitive drawing and there is so much detailing you can see. And now red, here also, let me do it a little bit of darker here. Okay, and now then this one, and there, here, and then this one, and there also. Okay, so now the bigger part is done, and now those little things here. Okay, so we're going to draw with this green color. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so it's basically I'm almost keep going and keep going with this drawing. And now a little bit of those little dot with some I think I should use this orange color for this part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I just draw a little also inside the little gap of here also. Here and here, also here, and then this side and this part. Also here, and here also. Oh, and also here. Okay, so now our first these little things are done, and now those big dot upper here. So for this one I'm going to use blue pen, the blue color, like this. If you want, you can use another color if you want. It's all up to you. Okay. Oh, someone is calling me. Wait a second. Okay, and there also, here and here. Okay. And now this part, here, here and here. So I think this is it for the video, and I will show you in the next part the whole procedure back again. Okay, so see you in the next video.